All right, check this out. Just got it from VEVOR. I like to do a lot of activities outdoors, and this is a perfect inflatable bed to take out with you. In case your wife ever kicks you out and you puts you on the doghouse, I got you guys. Check this out. So not only did they give you the bed itself, they actually give you the pump, including with the actual different nozzles that you have. All right, so everything's included in here. Let's put it together. So you get the actual cushion itself. All right, the motor is built into the actual cushion itself, so you don't have to worry about taking anything anywhere. And look at this, they give you a bag with the whole thing and the actual bed where it goes. All right, this is the metal. So we're gonna set this up right now and see how it works. With this pump, it's not only made for pumping air into the actual mattress itself, but you can actually inflate other things too, right? So you can use this. It's portable, rechargeable, easy to use. In a matter of a minute or two, you're able to set up your bed. What are you doing? You can't get up there. No. Also, I forgot to mention, charging station USB type C to type A. Different nozzles for other devices you want to inflate. So check this out. If you're ever doing outdoor activities or camping, you got your pillow, your sheets, you take off your shoes. You want to sleep outdoors and watch the stars tonight? Oh, this is perfect. Very comfortable for guests, camping, or just whoever you want. Let's take this thing apart now. And to do that, you're gonna have to reverse the pump. All right, so unplug here. There's a plug in here. Release the air. But what you want to do is get the pump out. There's a button here. Get the pump out completely. All right, you guys can see that. Then put the pump air in here.